Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to go live on Facebook. So this is going to be a very easy guide, so watch me carefully. Right now we have to go to the Facebook mobile application and make sure that you are using the updated version, right? So here we have to click on here, which is write something here, right? So whenever you want to post something, you use this feature, and down below if you'll just scroll a little bit, you can see here that there's a feature of live video, right? So just click on this, and after that you have to give the access here, and after giving the access you can just click on the go live. And if you want to add the description, you can add the description while you're going live. You can add the feeling, activity, and even you can tag the friends. But if you want to add a person or ID, you have to click on this plus icon. So here you have to find someone to whom you want to add, like this, and after that just click on go live. And this is pretty easy guys, and then you can go live. And there are some other features right here. So if you'll just scroll a little bit, here you will see that after you post, even after completing your live, you can just post to your feeds, and you can bring some friends, and you can even put some polls and all that. There is a lot of feature, right? So this is it guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.